Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Antarctic Star U-shaped air conditioner, window unit, 12,000 BTU, ultra-quiet window air conditioner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include full window view and ultra quiet. The saddle window AC keeps the noisy compressor outside, reducing noise to just 45 decibels. Enjoy a peaceful environment whether you're sleeping, reading, or working. This innovative design also offers you full window views and flood your space with natural light. Let's say goodbye to blocked windows and hello to a brighter, quieter home now. Rapid cooling for ultimate comfort. The 12,000 BTU window AC units cool your space rapidly with a temperature range from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for rooms up to 550 square feet, such as living room, bedroom, apartment, and office. It features 6 modes: cool, dry, fan, auto, sleep, and energy saver, 3 fan speeds, and 4-way adjustable airflow for tailored comfort. Easy to install. Installation is a breeze with all necessary accessories included. No need for a bracket or extra support, and you won't have to worry about the unit slipping. It fits single-hung and double-hung windows with a minimum opening of 16-inch, a window width range of 24 to 48-inch, and a max window sill of 11-inch. 3-in-1 versatile window AC. Enjoy year-round comfort with our 3-in-1 window AC. It offers cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes. In summer, use cool mode to chill your space quickly. On damp days, switch to dry mode to remove excess moisture. In spring or fall, the fan mode provides a gentle breeze and fresh air without cooling. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel to get instant notifications of all future uploads.